We found a cracker barrel. I could call it crackle barrel. And the sign back there says there's RV and what, trailer parking?
Yeah, of course.
Very cool. I thought it
RVs,
was just
motor coaches, all of it. Look at this.
awesome. I thought it was only in the East Coast and in the South.
I don't know why you thought that.
For some reason, I didn't know.
It's coming on strong in the West because
I'm so excited.
a lot of them you'll find by Cabela's or Bass Pro or whatever.
Yay!
And of course, you're going to hear all the stereotypes. White cracker barrel or old white trash barrel, all that other stuff.
We thought it was going to be hard to eat because, right, Suri?
Are you laughing?
Because we're pulling, you know, the vehicle, and it's going to be hard to park in the cities. But luckily, there's
nothing wrong with American food on Memorial Day.
Right. So we're going to go in.
Have an issue with that.
Gotta put the shades up for the babies. What's the temperature outside?
It's warm. I'm gonna open up
Should we leave the AC on?
No, we don't need to do that.
I think we should.
No, we don't need to do that. You gotta put the shade in. It's gonna be a breeze up here.
Yeah, it is windy outside. It's either... Yeah, it's really windy. Once the shades are up.
Okay, now I put this. Oh, there, this other one. Yeah, I know, sir. I get you. I gotta get you.